Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically find out what your friends are listening to on Spotify. Just close this so you guys can see it a little bit better. You can either go to your profile, go to settings, and scroll down and enable see what your friends are playing, but the easiest way to go is just to be on this page and select friend activity, and on the right you'll be able to see what your friends are listening to on Spotify, and it will also show you like when they listen to it kind of, but you won't be able to see it if they have turned off the activity, if they went private. So yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.